Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a date night glam tutorial, and it will be a quarantine edition because I don't think I'll be going anywhere. But I mean, I absolutely love how this turned out. It turned out really nice. I did use some glitter, but I'm using a new palette also, so if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I will be using this Kylie Jenner pressed powder palette for this look. Starting with my Morphe 433 brush, I will swipe the shade Naked back and forth on both eyelids. Using the same brush, I will apply Burgundy on the outer part of the eyelids and blend, but concentrating most of the color on that outer part of the eyelid. Now with a clean Morphe 507 brush, I'm cleaning up and blending out any harsh lines. Using a Morphe 431 brush, I grab Almond and blend it just below Burgundy on the outer part of the eyelids. Blending takes time, so all I do is go back and forth between brushes to make sure the color on both eyelids is even. Now using my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NW15 and a Wet n Wild flat brush, I will start cutting my crease. I start with small brush strokes to create an outline and then just fill it in. I like to use my finger to blend the concealer into the eyeshadow to not leave any harsh lines, creating an ombre effect.
Then I just go back with the previous brushes to touch up the outer corners and blend the eyeshadow slightly with the concealer. With the same Wet n Wild flat brush I used to cut my crease, I added the shade LA right on top of it. Used my e.l.f. small smudge brush to apply my inner corner Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight. And as I was doing this, I realized I didn't like how the LA shade completely covered my cut crease. So I sprayed MAC Fix Plus on the brush to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight and make it stand out more. With NYX Crystal Glitter Goals eyeliner, I traced the cut crease outline. For my bottom lash line, I used my Morphe 432 brush and start with the shades backwards, meaning I start with Almond on the outer part of my bottom lash line, and to go between colors with the same brush, I used my Vera Mona color switch. I apply Burgundy to the rest of the lash line and blend everything together. For my waterline, I use Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in Blackest Black. Here, I'm just going in with my NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner and creating my wing. And just because I wanted to be a little extra, why not? I added the same NYX glitter on the outer half top part of my wing. Well, we're almost done here, so I curled my lashes, coated them with my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Glam Black mascara, and ta-da! My �𝐃𝐄𝐃𝐔𝐿 eyelashes are on. Oh yeah, and I also coated the bottom lashes with my L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. For this look, I chose my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick Ashton. And use my Morphe E39 brush to clean up the edges with concealer. Now for this, you can use any concealer you have. It doesn't even have to be concealer. You could use foundation. As long as the foundation matches your skin, you'll be good.
So this is a completed date night glam tutorial I wanted to do, quarantine edition. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions of any of the makeup products I used. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.